Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook teal duck. First, you'll want to thoroughly pluck and eviscerate your duck, removing all internal organs. Then, rinse it well with cold water both inside and out and pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving crispy skin. Finally, season your duck generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and any herbs you prefer, like fresh thyme or rosemary. This preparation ensures a flavorful start to your meal. There are several fantastic ways to cook teal duck, each offering a unique texture and flavor. Roasting is a classic choice. Try it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes for a beautifully tender result. For crispy skin, pan-searing the breast, skin side down, for 5 minutes is excellent. Alternatively, grilling over medium-high heat for 8 to 12 minutes per side can give you a lovely smoky flavor. Choose the method that best suits your taste. Achieving the perfect doneness is key to a delicious teal duck. For a medium-rare finish, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a reliable meat thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part of the breast, avoiding the bone, for an accurate reading. Once cooked, it's super important to let your duck rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Now for the best part, serving your perfectly cooked teal duck. Roasted duck pairs wonderfully with sides like wild rice, roasted root vegetables, or a sweet and tangy fruit-based sauce. If you've pan-seared the breasts, consider a rich reduction sauce or a light, fresh green salad to complement the richness. When carving, always slice the duck against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. This simple technique ensures maximum tenderness and a delightful eating experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.